Hi, my name's Oliver Bach, and I'm one of the Green Riders, and this is my mother, Trudy Bach. And we decided to get together this morning to talk about the Green Ride. She has some questions and some concerns, and hopefully I can answer some of those questions and make her feel a little less concerned.
Safety is a concern of mine, because you do have a family with 2 lovely children and a wife, and we all want you back in one piece.
Yeah, I'd like to come back in one piece myself.
Do you really need that long a trip to prove it? Do you have to go for two months?
Our goal is really to attract as much attention as we can, not to ourselves so much, but to what's going on across America that's being created by ordinary Americans who understand that we have to change the way we're doing things in this country.
If you promise that you keep me informed every day or maybe every second day, I will let you go and be more at ease.
Well, thank you for the permission. It's almost as good as your blessing. Our first few days, we're going to be heading south and then heading over through Bakersfield up over Tehachapi Pass, and we're going to hopefully feature some of the wind turbines up there. And then once we get over to Barstow, there's some solar projects over in that area. We're gonna hopefully have a following of people on the internet who are going to join us electronically, and then we're also inviting people to join us on their bicycles.
Oh, that's nice.
That would be fun.
Yeah.
This is power numbers.
And they don't have to have electric bicycles.
No, not at all. We're not planning to do days that are any longer than a person in shape could do on a regular bicycle. It's just going to take us a lot less time, hopefully.
And you're all getting in perfect shape now.
Well, we don't want to get in too good a shape because we want to promote the fact that we're sort of old and feeble. Thank you, Mimi, for taking the time to share your concerns, and we'll really do our best to be as safe as we possibly can and come back in one piece and
very good.
Hopefully keep you well informed.
Yeah, no, I'm sure you're going to have a good time.
I hope so.
Yeah.